Hello YouTube, this is Anna King from unboxingjerseys.ru. Yeah, this is my website name, www.unboxing-jerseys.ru. I am Anna King. Okay, look at this new jersey. Whoa, it's really nice. Number 5, it is NCAA jersey. This jersey is Michigan Wolverines jersey. Okay, let me show you guys the details. Okay, check this part. Yeah, V-neck here. And here is the small patch. Yeah. Okay, and this patch stitched, B-I-G. Yeah, stitched. Okay, and look at this part, number 5. The color is blue. Yeah, navy blue. Is stitched in the front. Okay, and the material is very soft. Yeah. Okay, and look at the patch. This patch is stitched also. Yeah, they are not printed, stitched. Okay, jump on my size M. Okay, look at this part. Number 5 stitched, and the stripe here. Yeah, they are all stitched. Okay, another shoulder. Okay, the zip, number 5 stitched. And stripes, black, yellow, and sorry, this should be navy blue, yellow, and navy blue color. Okay, and here is the jump on my. Okay, this is a paper tag. Okay, the back. Okay, check this part. The player's name Peppers. Yeah, and the player's name are stitched. Take a good look at this. Okay, and look at this part. Yeah, number 5 stitched on the back. So you should not worry about the quality. All the jerseys are good. Yeah, inside, yeah. Make sure they are stitched. Again, this jersey is Michigan Wolverines. Michigan jersey, yeah, number 5. The color is white. It is from www.unboxing-jerseys.ru. Any more questions, please contact with Anna King. Okay, thank you for watching today. Bye.